Hello friends, welcome back to EcomCorner. Today we are going to start a new series on Etsy, how to sell on Etsy. So it's chapter 1. It's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Let's start now. First of all, are you looking for a simple way to start selling online without huge investment? Etsy might be the best place for you. In this series, I will guide you step by step on how to build a profitable Etsy store. Today, let's start with the basics, how to sell on Etsy. Firstly, let's discuss what is Etsy. Etsy is a global marketplace where millions of buyers comes looking for unique, creative and handmade products. Like Unlike eBay or Amazon, Etsy focus on creativity, handmade items, vintage goods, print on demand, and even digital products. If you have been wondering how to sell on Etsy, you come to the right place. We will walk you through all you need to know about selling on Etsy, including creating a store, publishing listing, running Etsy ads, reaching potential customers, and increasing store visibility. Why Etsy is great? Because Etsy has a large buyer base from USA, UK, and Canada. Buyers are willing to pay more for unique, high quality items. You can sell digital products with zero shipping headaches on Etsy. So, next, what you can sell? You can sell handmade items like jewelry, craft, home decors, vintage items at least 20 years old, print on demand products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, digital downloads like planners, template, wall art. So now how you can create a Etsy shop. So let's discuss in step 1. For creating an Etsy shop, first of all, you have to go to the Etsy and click on sign in button. And if you already have account on Etsy, simply you can log in or you can register for a new account. While registering, you can choose your email address, your email, your Google account or Facebook or Apple account also. You have to fill the necessary information for register on Etsy and your business, and simply you can verify your email address. As you can see on the screen, when you will go to on Etsy, you can see on top right side sign in button. Simply click on that. You will see this pop up. If you already registered account, simply you can enter your email ID and password and click on sign in button. You will be able to log in. If you're not, you can just click on register button. A form will be open. You have to fill all those necessary details and then your account will be ready on Etsy. Once you will create an account, then on the top right corner you can see there is a profile icon. On the profile icon there are few drop down, that is a drop down menu. In that you can choose sell on Etsy option, or you can see a page like this on the Etsy home page. There will be a get started button. You can simply click on get started for sell on Etsy, or you can go to profile and choose sell on Etsy from that drop down. When you will choose one of these options, then you will come on this page. In this, Etsy will ask you for some questionnaires. You have to choose that. So when you will hit the let's do this button, then you will landed on this page. Here are some what brings you on Etsy. You can choose one of these options, and after that you can click on next button. When you will click on next button, they will ask you what else do you sell. You can choose where else do you sell. You can choose like if you are already selling on suppose eBay, Amazon, Walmart, then you can choose this option. Other online marketplaces, if you already have your own website, you can choose this option. So it's up to you what options you choose. It's just for their questionnaires, just for they will keep it. Like how exactly, what exactly sellers it is, something like that. So when you will click on next button, you will landed on this page. Simply you can start your shop. Click on this button. Then you can see there are 5 steps in this onboarding page. The step 1, choose your shop preference. In this, you can see on the screen, choose your Etsy shop preference. Simply you can choose your language for shop, your shop country, your shop currency. You can see I choose shop country India, but shop currency is US dollar. In this case, using a shop currency that is different from your bank currency may result in currency conversion fees. So if you will choose a different currency, then you have to pay currency conversion fees to Etsy for your orders. And also I will recommend to use, because we are going to target only US customers, so that's why I choose US currency, US dollars. When you will click on save and continue, you will be at step 2. In this step, you have to simply click on enter your Etsy shop details. In this, you have to choose a name for your Etsy shop. That should be a unique name between 4 to 20 characters, and make sure there should be no any special characters in that. Suppose I choose EcomCorner. Then you can see also I write down over here something. A good Etsy shop name communicates what product you offer and reflect your brand style. Your name also influence Etsy SEO, so try to incorporate a focus keyword, a commonly searched word in your niches to attract the right audience. Try out free tools like Shopify Business Name Generator or Namelix. Type of focus keywords and look for inspiration. Next, search the name online to ensure no one else is using it. If it's already taken, the name you are putting over here, if it's already taken by someone else, then you can try with few variations. You have a pro tip from us. Check if your name is available as a domain. This can be useful if you ever want to purchase the domain for a standalone site using Etsy pattern subscription. So you can also try that. If you have already a domain, you can just simply use that name as your Etsy shop name. It will be better for you for building a brand. So when you will click on save and continue, on the step 3, you have to connect your Payoneer account. Simply, if you already have a Payoneer account, then you can connect it. If you don't, you can check our playlist dropshipping videos on YouTube. I already guided how to create a Payoneer account step by step. So suppose if you have already a Payoneer account, and then you can just connect your account over here, and when you will click on that, you will see a pop-up like you are going to allow access your Etsy account to Payoneer. Then simply you have to click on agree. When you click on agree, there on the third step, on the same step, you have to verify your ID with Etsy. So simply you can choose the document type, and you have to choose your country and document type. In the document type, you can choose like PAN card, driving license, your passport. These documents you can choose, and simply you can click on add files button. You have to upload it from your local computer and then submit document. When you click on submit document, you will be redirected at step 4. And if remember, when you will sign up on Etsy, if you have not confirmed your email ID yet, then you will see again over here a pop-up for confirm your email on Etsy. You can resend confirmation email. You will get your get an email on your email account, and simply you can just click on confirm button. Your account will be confirmed with Etsy. So when you will click on this, you have to add your credit card information. You can add credit or debit card both. Etsy support credit and debit card both. So you have to simply fill out these card information and billing address, because at this step what you have to do, as you can see on the screen, Etsy charges $10 sign up fees for Indian sellers. So you can see on my screen, one time setup fees 881 rupees in India. So when you will fill your card information and your billing details, simply you have to click on I authorize and continue. Then Etsy will charge 881 Indian rupees from your credit or debit card. So at that step you will be completed for when you will completed that payment, you will redirect for last step 5, that is your shop security. In this, set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. You can authenticate your account through SMS or Google Authenticator app. Choose preference method, enter code sent from Etsy, and then click continue to finish setup. Finally, click on open your shop, finish your account setup, and see your shop manager dashboard. And also I want to tell you one more thing. Etsy has some sales and transaction fees you will want to consider when setting retail price for your products. These includes mandatory, region specific, and other additional fees. So while listing any items on Etsy, you have to take care all these fees included in your product costs to avoid any losses. In next further videos, we are going to explain how much does Etsy charge for your orders, for listing. So we are going to break down every expenses in next videos. So you can see this is a Etsy shop dashboard. So when you will find completed step 5, you will be landed on this page. So I hope you are loving our dropshipping series. More powerful tips coming soon. Please stay tuned for Etsy series. Friends, if you are new on our channel, please search EcomCorner on YouTube and subscribe our channel for watch all the dropshipping videos. Thanks. Friends, if you are please join us on WhatsApp for instant chat. Our number is 8756 919495. If you would like to connect with us at email, our email ID is support@ecomcorner.cloud. Also, you can join us on live chat at our website ecomcorner.cloud for instant support. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.